Alright, so I'm about to show you a guaranteed way to delete anything off your credit report, no matter what it is. If you have student loans, you have repos, you have bankruptcies, doctor bills, no matter what it is that you have on your credit report, I'm going to show you a guaranteed way you can get it deleted. Because right now, a lot of credit bureaus are breaking the law, and you have to have a certain type of letters that enforce the law. So the first thing you're going to need a type of dispute letter. You're going to need two, you're going to need four dispute letters. 1, 2, 3, and 4 dispute letters. And by the way, go ahead and share this video if you have anyone, maybe have friends and family who like to get stuff deleted off their credit report, something that's been dragging their credit down, but they can't seem to get it off. This right here, I promise you, you will be able to get it off applying these different types of letters. These are the same letters that big law firms have. Name any big law firm that's doing good, that's getting a lot of clients. These are the letters that they're using. These type of letters are the type of letters that they're using to delete stuff off their client's report. And this was not available to the public until now. So also at the end of this video, also at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can get access to these forms. So just stick around. I'm going to show you the way. 1 second. So the first form we're going to need to do right now, a lot of credit bureaus are breaking the law because they're supposed to only have stuff on your credit report that they received the hard copies of. And then 99.9%, it almost never happens. The creditors never send those forms over there. So what you want to do, you want to have a letter asking them to verify or delete. To verify your negative item or delete it. So what's going to happen is you have to word it and form this letter a certain type of way. Now this website I want to give you, it's a private website. I'm going to send you, it's going to be a phone number across the screen that you can text dispute forms or dispute documents to. And then it's going to be able. Then I'm going to send you. It's going to send you the website. You can go to the website. You can buy the forms, and then you can download it, and you can use the forms as many times as you need to use them. So the first letter that you're going to get is a verified delete letter. Basically, you state in the law that they have to verify the account with the proper documents. The proper documents is a hard copy of the original loan application or a hard copy of the original bill, with your social security number and signature on there, so that they can verify it's yours. So first they verify delete, and it's really hard for creditors to verify it. They almost never verify it. I can't remember the last time a creditor actually verified an account on my account the proper way. So you have to verify delete. But what they're doing right now, if you follow, you have to do it too. These letters have to be handwritten, but the ones that you get from the website, they already handwritten for you. So and the reason they need to be handwritten is because if you don't handwrite it, if you type it up and send it in, what's going to happen? A human never is going to look at it. It's going to go through a computer system. Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, they're going to scan it. The scanner is going to read what the document says, and then it's going to send it all the way over to the proper creditor. Then the creditor is going to automatically send something back. It's going to be all robotic, and then it's going to come back verified. That is illegal, by the way. That's illegal the way to do it, but the creditors don't care. They still do it. Credit bureaus don't care, or the creditors don't care. They still do it. But that's illegal way to do it. But they're still doing it anyway. So by doing it this way, by having these handwritten letters stating the law and stating that they are breaking the law, they will delete it for you because they don't want to run into any troubles or any complications. These letters will get it deleted. So first, these letters are going to be they're going to be handwritten in handwritten format, so that when it gets scanned, they can't when the actual human picks up your letter and reads your letter, it have a much higher, have a double or 3 times better chance of getting deleted than when the computer system is doing it. So that's what it's going to do. So it's going to be a verified delete letter. After that letter. And then it's going to say, you want to say you have not verified. And if you have verified, send me the documents. So if you can't send me these documents because you haven't verified it, I want you to delete it. So then next let's go see. So the next letter is going to say, going to restate the law to them with your account numbers on there. Go say you have not verified these documents. You have not verified these accounts with the proper documents. So delete it, which most of them will not do because creditors don't get paid for sending over stuff to credit bureaus. That's not an income producing activity for the credit bureaus. More stuff like garnishing or making sales is income producing, so they have people appointed to those areas. But as far as sending in stuff to credit bureaus, they have a system, they have a computer system that does it, and which is illegal. So after the second letter, usually we get most of our deletions between the 1 and 2. Between the first and second letter, we get about most of 99% of them is going to be deleted because of that. Because they don't want to run into any troubles. So then, letter number 3, if somehow it don't, we never got to letter number 3, but if we do get to letter number 3, this website that I'm going to give you access to buy these documents, it's going to have the letter number 3. Then letter number 3 is going to be